Well done, Stephen Ramirez, bronze medalist. And we currently have 0.2 between Repacholi on top at 216.7 and Groves 215.5. So 2 more shots and we'll have our gold and silver medalists. 9-4 for Groves and a 9-4 for Repacholi. So the gap remains 1.2 for the gold medal. One shot to come. And full concentration. Groves with a 10.1, good response to the pressure. Repacholi with a 9.5. Oh, and Repacholi gets it by 0.9. Dan Repacholi is our winner of the 10-metre air pistol men's final. Bailey Groves in second, Ramirez in third, then Kumar, Sides, Hughes, Paulino, and Markowski. Well done, Dan Repacholi.